I'm so excited for this teaser! Good morning, afternoon, evening, everyone! Hi, my name is Myra and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hi, my name is Myra and I make movie reviews and trailer reactions and a lot of things in between. Usually it has something to do with movies, TV series, trailers, anything that I can fangirl on, basically. So, hope you like what you see, and if you haven't, please don't forget to click that bell button besides my subscribe button so you'll be notified if I upload something new. Now today, I will be reacting to Birds of Prey teaser. It's just say teaser, it's not even like a trailer, like a teaser trailer, because it's just like 29 seconds long. But I need to react to this because I love Harley Quinn with all my heart. I feel like she's the twin that I've never met yet. I would love to cosplay at her one day. Not in the short time that I have right now, but soon. Maybe next year? I don't know. But I really love Harley Quinn and I think Margot Robbie would do her justice so much, regardless of the script, regardless of the storyline, because she's just an awesome actress that I really think embodied Harley Quinn perfectly for what I've seen anyway. So I will react to this teaser. It might be short, but I'm sure it will be short but sweet. So I'll react to it and let you know what I think. Baby! Oh, they're the other characters? God. Wow. Baby. I need more! There are so many characters in one teaser. I miss a lot of that. Like, who are they? Oh, I have a synopsis. After splitting up with the Joker, Harley Quinn, and the other female superheroes, Black Canary, love her, Huntress, I do not know who that is, and Red Montoya come together to save the life of a little girl from an evil crime lord. See, I knew that Harley isn't 100% evil. She just fell in love with the wrong guy, with the wrongest kind of guy, but she's actually a very sweet person, and I'm happy with the synopsis at the moment, at least. So, I need more, please. Can I have more, please? The teaser is fantastic. It looks like some sort of fashion show teaser. I don't know. The outfits that they have is amazing. Although the outfit that Harley has is not exactly Harley at the moment, but it's good on her, so I don't have anything to complain. Definitely we'll wait for more trailers, definitely we'll react to them, and possibly fangirl even worse. And that is all I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. I know this is short, but still, like I said, short but sweet. I hope you like what you see, and if you do, don't forget to drop a comment, like, subscribe, follow me on Facebook and Instagram. They are in my description below. Thank you again so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!